Hello, everyone. I welcome you once again to this session of front-end development training, and this is the session 2. And we are going to cover a couple of topics today, which are difference between let, var, and constant. That is variable declaration, then data types, operators, conditional statements like if, else, switch, loops like for, while, for each, and map. So I hope you will enjoy this session as well. And let me directly hand it over to Ashish. So Ashish, let's start with the session of this front-end development training. Thank you.
Yeah, so hi folks, hope you're doing well. Give me 1 minute, please. So today we can start again our session. Yesterday we was covering this front-end thing, right? JavaScript basics. So we were on the topic of let, var, and const. We'll continue it again, right? So yeah, let me open my VS Code. Yes. So happy coding. So again, we are on the track, right? How the Joes, maybe it's high, right? So yeah, we have finished the Hello World in the last session or the previous session. Today we are gonna cover what is the difference between lat and const and where is that sheet? Yeah, yeah, and we have data types like string, number, boolean, object array, null, undefined. So we'll try to finish this all the basics which is on the screen, and operations we have operators, I mean condition, if, else, switch, and loops for while, for each map. So yeah, hope you have installed your VS Code, right? And Node also installed, right? uh, so let me remind you again, for Node we can check how we can check the version. So Node minus minus, I'm giving just an overview of 2 or 3 minutes so that everyone will be on the same page. Yeah, so we can check the version like that, and we want to create, we need to create the folder like I have created yesterday, right? In the previous session, I mean, and how we can run the this file, I can say, right? Node hello world.js. So yeah, we can see the outputs are visible here on the screen. So yeah, so yesterday, I mean the last session or the previous session, we were discussing about the variables in JavaScript. So it's very important, it's very basic, very fundamentals in JavaScript to understand the variables, right? How we can create the variables, how we can use, how we can. So like here, where x equal to 50, we learn it in the previous session. So it's a declaration name we have given x, and 50 is the value that we have initializing to the value of x. In the same way we have initializing y value, right? So yeah, and x we have we did some operation here, x plus y, which is equal to z. So we put it x plus y value into z, and we are consoling out the z as a 150. So yeah, it's all about the previous session. I just remember you again. So yeah, today we'll cover what is the main difference between lat, var, and const. Okay. So yeah, difference between lat, var, and const. So this is variables. We have 3 types of. So yesterday I already told, right, where is a functional scope or global scope, and let and const are blocked scope, right? So what do you mean by blocked scope? What is global scope? I'll cover all this thing because we cannot cover everything in a single day, right? So it's a step by process, right? So yeah, we are on the track. Where is a functional scope or global scope? So suppose um, so I haven't teached you right the functions and how the scope will work. So we'll cover up all these things. So do not worry. Just just the thing you need to keep in mind for today or from now. Where has the global scope? Lat has lat and const have blocked scope, right? Or local scope, I can say. So I'm writing 3 points here where have some I can write where is a functional scope and scope. What is scope? Yeah, good. This will come in your mind. I know. We'll teach you that as well, right? We'll cover it as well. So lat var and const. So let and const are blocked scope. So you already know. Suppose I have declared some variable x equal to 10. So this is using where we have declared, right? So we can able to change the value of x. How? So x equal to 30. If I have updated the value x equal to. So now you are thinking how will it update, right? So let me clear out that question as well from your mind. I know you are thinking in that direction, right? So yeah, let me comment out this. So yeah, again, let's take, we haven't saved the file, sorry. Let me make this area as a bigger so you can able to see properly. Yeah. So now, so where x equal to 10. So suppose you have created some x value now, right? And you want to again update that x value, right? So how you can achieve that? So let me tell you. See, if if you have uh, if you have assigned value 10 to the variable x and you have again reassign the value, right? So we are what we are doing, we are updating, we are replacing the value of 10 by x value of 30. So we have declared, see in the line number 46 we have declared x equal to 10, and in the line number 48 47 you have declared x equal to 30, right? And in the in the next line 48 we have console out it. So where this 10 has gone, right? So it is replaced by 10. So if you are going to make some console log in the line number in the next line of 10, x equal to 10. So let me do that as well. So now you will receive, let me share the file, control s, and now you can able to see 10 and 30. Why this 10 is coming, why this 30 also coming? Because, and yeah, we can, yeah, one more point I'll guide you, right? So here I can write point number 3. So let me make it rat because it's very important. So yeah, so now you can see x equal to 10, and we are whenever we are, let me clear out this console as well. Yeah. So 10 is also coming and 30 is also coming. Why? Because we have giving a console log after the value of 10 we have initializing and then we have updated. So what you are able to see here, right? We haven't declared x again because it is already declared. So it is having a global scope. So you have to declare it once and you can use it again and again, right? So this is the global scope. I know this is not completed, but we'll cover it in next session as well. So because after that we need to learn the function and then we can achieve that task. What is global scope fully, right? So now this is the thing. So this is the third point where can be redeclare and update, right? So this is the third point that I want to tell you now. 4 is what? Let can be update, but not redeclare. So yeah, this we, so yeah, let me make a separation here. So suppose let y equal to 20, right? And console log of y we will do. And let me save my file. Let me run it. So we are equal to by and 1 second. So yeah, 30. Where is 30? Let me comment out this whole. Let me save the file. Yeah, sorry. Don't know why 20 was not coming here. Yeah, okay, we'll take it again. So yeah, see now 20 it's coming, right? 1 second. Yeah, 20 is coming, right? And if I want to reassign value y, right? Y equal to y equal to 30 I can give, or 40, anything. Console.log of by. Console.log of by. Let me save the file again, and you can able to see here 30. So we can able to we can update it, but we cannot redeclare. So let me tell you what is redeclaration. Where where x equal to, this will work. Okay, so we are again coming to see no error, right? We are getting 10 and 30 in the case of where. But let me again comment this and come to the why. I mean let declaration, right? And if I want to type let y, so you can able to see, right? It is giving a error, runtime error, right? So see, two errors are here because what it is saying, once we will hover it, cannot redeclare block scope variable of y. So this is what I want to teach you. This is very important point, right? We cannot declare. So I have already written here, let can be updated. Let can be updated, but not redeclare. But where can be redeclare, and we can able to update it also, right? So this is my point. So you can note down here. This is gonna wrong. We cannot redeclare. What is redeclare? Because we have written y. So how we can declare the value? I mean variable. Let y. This is declaration of y. So y we have given as a let. Okay. So now it is not giving error, right? So if I want to run this file, so see 20 and 30 it is coming. So both are coming, and we can update the value of y as well. So now you will see 30 will come, right? So only 30 is coming. So this is what let and where will work. And const, right? So how what is constant, right? Const cannot be update and or redeclare, means in the case of where it will be like we can able to update or redeclare. In the case of let, in the case of let we can update, and we not we do not able to redeclare it, because in the case of here let we have already see I was written let right here, so it was giving some error, right? See now it is giving error. But in case of const, in case of const in the case of const we cannot redeclare or update because it is constant. So const, what is const? Const means constant variable, right? Const means constant variable. So yeah, let me take the example of const as well. I know we are going very slow, but yeah, in starting we need to go slow according to my point of view. So yeah, const y equal to 40, right? And we can declare here const y equal to console log we are giving, right? So see now we haven't saved the file. Yeah, now it is giving. We have not saved the file again. Now you are able to see 40 is coming, right? Let me run from press. So yeah, 40 is coming, right? Why 40 is coming? Because we have declare const variable constant. So what constant will not change, right? So if I want to give as a 50, so it is giving wrong. Const cannot be updated. So let's try here. The coding is nothing. We just need to try and then we can able to learn it easily, right? So never stop trying. See what it is giving. It is throwing an error. What error? So error type it is assigned to be constant variable. We cannot assign it again, right? So it is giving, see, on line number 65 where it is error 65. What is 65 here? Because we have the redeclare here. So we cannot redeclare it. So let me redeclare it. It is giving an error here also, right? Const z equal to 50. So in the case of let and const, we just have to take care. But in the case of where we are free, because that is global or functional scope, right? Hope you are clear with this. If you have some doubt, we'll cover up that as well, right? Do not worry. So yeah, we are good with variable declaration, right? Let and const. This we have already done. Mm, yes. Now we are coming on data types, which is a string, number, booleans, object, array, null, undefined. This is also a very important thing. So I have created a document for everyone, right? I'll share this as well. So yeah, give me a minute, please. Yeah. So we have covered let, where, and const here, right? So what is data types? Declaring a variable using let, where, const for your name, age, favorite color, right? For printing them, we can use, right? So yeah. So what is data type? Let me copy this whole thing, right? Yeah, we can run here itself. Let me copy, rename this file for my reference only. I'm giving first. We can create one more file to data type .js. So we'll write data type. I'll provide this hello world file and this everything I'll provide you. Okay, so we're gonna cover. So this is data type, data types in JavaScript, right? So JavaScript has dynamic types, means variable can hold value for any types, can change types, right? So yeah. So how the type will work, right? JavaScript supports several data types, including this all, right? So you can able to see. So we are just let str. What is str? It's a variable name, right? So this is variable declaration. This is name we have given to us variable, and this is initialization. So what value I have given? I've given just an hello, right? Or we can give happy coding. Happy coding. So yeah, guys, I know you are enjoying my course sessions. I'm also enjoying. Yeah. So How we can check? So let me write console.log, sorry, type of string. So how how we can check? So yeah, let me again come to the terminal. Let me save the file, and again because we have changed the file here, right? Previously we were working on hello world.js file. Now we are working on data type. So node data type dot js. What mistake I'm doing here? Sorry. I have given two as well, right? The full data, I mean file name you have to give on. So what it is giving here? Let me open a new terminal. So it is giving a string. So this is a string type we have given here, right? So let me tell you once the whole thing, then we'll cover up one by one. So you can able to see. Let str and hello world we have given. So what is it? It is an string, right? Because in the double quotes we are giving any name, any number, right? So that will be a string. Even if you are giving here let str, if you are giving a number, but what mistake you are doing here? If you are doing this double quote, so it will be become an string. This is not a number. So for number you just need to give normal number here, right? So what is number here? This will be your number. Let num, just name we have given. You can give a b c z, whatever you want, right? You can give anything. That's depend on you only, right? But yeah, right, what we have given here, just a number for understanding, because what we have given here is string. Str means string. So because it is an string, so because of our understanding we have just given a declaration, right? So let str equal to hello we have given. So it is already giving an a type of. So yeah, right, let me tell you that as well. Type of, what is type of? So it's an JavaScript inbuilt method. What it is, an inbuilt method that give us type of any value or any name, whatever we have defined. So we have defined as a string. This is an string type. So because of that only it is giving output as a string. If you are giving a number, yeah, let me tell you that as well. Let me comment out this whole thing. Yeah, we can write. I'm writing in shortcuts console.log type of num. So yeah. So if you are checking type of this number, let num equal to 52, 42. Sorry. So it will give an it will give you the number equal to, it is giving again a string. No, we haven't saved the file. My fault. Yeah, now it is giving you a number, right? So it is giving you a number again. So let num equal to 54 and type of num it is giving a number. So like that, all the variables we will, I mean, data types will cover up. So yeah, the next will be true. If you are giving true or false, so that will comes under boolean. So suppose you want to check, right? So what program we can write for boolean, right? So let me give you here. So suppose you want to check whether 2 equal to 2 or not. So in that we'll give some value, true false, right? We will not give any other answer here, right? So in that case we can use some boolean value. So if you're checking some condition, whether that condition is true or not or false, true or false, two things will be there, right? So in our programming language, 0 and 1 would be working, right? So how the same case true and false are here. So if something is present or not, so it is given true. If it is not present, then it will give as a false value, right? So it's just for checking some condition, right? I'll tell you what condition in next. So yeah, let equal to is active. Just name we have given here is active for checking the condition, right? So for checking the boolean value, whether it is true or false. So we have given here true. So it will give us yeah. Just need to save it again. So let is active equal to true. So it is giving us boolean value. So yeah, data types are here. We have next data type is object. So what is object? So suppose in this flower brackets we have some name else. So name, what is name here? So let person. So suppose you want to store some details. You can suppose my details. So my name is Ashish. My name is Ashish. So my name is Ashish and suppose my age is 28, right? And my surname surname is Vishwakarma, right? So how suppose I want to store some data, right? How will I store? So in the form of object, we can store many data or many number of values or data we can store in. This is very easy method to store something in any object, right? So we can able to access it, we can able to do some performance. So suppose you have created some application, right? React.js application, which is used in medical or some department, healthcare department, right? So if you want to search something, so it is very easy to store something in an object format. So this is an object. So what is type of this? So like let me show you here. Console dot type of object. Okay, I have saved this file. Let me comment out this again. I need to save the file. So it is given in object type. So this is in one more type data type in JavaScript. What is next? So array of suppose I want to store some numbers, right? What numbers? So like 1 2 3 or any, like if you are giving some your phone numbers as well, we can store like 1 2 3 or any 8 9 6 2, whatever it is, right? So this is a type, this is an array type. Where we will use, I'll tell you that as well. Okay, console.log type of, again we are checking type of this number, right? So let me save my file. What it will give us, it will give us an array, I mean an object, because arrays are type of object in JavaScript. So this is again one important point, right? We need to take care of this. I have highlighted it. Ob- Output, what is output here? Object. Why? But we have declared an array, but it is giving an object as an answer, right? So you just need to take care. If you are writing some array, right? So suppose, so see here again you have written some of the arrays, right? 1 2 3, and that array you are just taking type of. So you can give you can give multiple numbers here: 1 2 3 4 4 5 6 6 7 8 9 10. Multiple numbers you can give, no issue, right? Whatever you can, how much numbers you want to type, you can type. But what we are checking here, our main agenda, our main concept here, it is some array. If you have defined some array, and how you can define some array? So nothing, just need to type my array, like my array I can give my array equal to empty array. So how to define an array, I'm telling you, right? So this is the way to define some array. But this is this is array, like we have defined let my array equal to this kind of brackets we need to use, right? So this brackets is defined to array, but here my array is empty because no values are here, so it is empty, right? So how we can fill the values, how we can give some values into the, I mean this is elements, not values, right? So in array we have an elements. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have given some values to array and we want to check type of. So it is giving an array are a type of object. So whenever you want to check, this is very important. That's why I highlight. So object is also type of object, but arrays are also type of object. So this you need to take care. Then again we are coming with yeah, again we are coming. So console dot log type of empty we are checking. So again we have one more data type, that is null or empty. Null means nothing, empty means nothing, right? So if you are checking type of empty, some using let you have declare some variable, right, which is name of empty, and you have given null. So null means nothing. So you just, it is one, what I can say, a keyword that used in JavaScript, null. So if you have given some null to this empty, so we can check the type of empty. So it will be always object. This is again one more important concept here. So output what object, it is giving an object. Null is also a specific type of JavaScript. Special type. This is also an special type. This is also an special type. Because of that only it is giving us object. Now again we have one more, which is undefined. So see what is undefined. So every interview will ask you what is the difference between null, what is difference between null data type and undefined data type. So we know, like let me explain this again. So what is undefined? Undefined means we have just declared the value, right? Everywhere we are giving equal to, and then we are assigning some value. You can see here also we are giving some equal to and value. Here also we are giving, but in the case of null we are not giving any value. We are assigned. We are declaring the variable. This is declaration of variable. So we can write here declaration of variable, but not assign a value. So we haven't assigned the value. So this is not assigned. By its name you can understand. Not assigned means not assigned any value. So just we have declared a let with not assigned number value name, and we haven't assigned any value here. So we can check const console.log type of not assigned, right? Let me comment this. So yeah, again need to save the file. Again we are checking, so it is giving undefined, right? Why? Because we haven't defined anything. So these all are our data types. So we have covered. So like in every interview, you will find this question, interview question. This is a very important interview question, that difference between let and const. I mean, sorry, difference between null and undefined. So null have some value, but what value we have given? Some null keyword, right? So it is having not any value, but it will give us the type of object only. Two things we need to remember here. And let and what is undefined? Undefined means, I mean, not assigned value. So what is undefined? Undefined, we haven't assigned any value, so it is giving us output when we are checking type of. When we are checking type of, so it will give us undefined. Okay. So yeah, we have covered data types as well today. So here you can see let str hello equal to, it is giving a string, and this is number. In double quotes we are giving, that will be comes as a string, and here number we have given, that is number. And true false we can give, then it will give us boolean. And let person, and we are giving some object. So this is declaration of an object. We have given some value in the person as an object, and numbers. This is an array type. What is that? Someone will ask you right in the interview, like what is the type of null? You can give null, not defined. That will comes as an undefined, right? So again, we have cover up this as well. Any color we can give for us for our reference. Okay. So again, we are coming. So now we have operators. So what are operators? So like in our daily life, we are doing some calculations and all, right? So that are all used in operators. So what is operators? So let me tell you. So some operations will do using some so using operators will perform some operations. What is operation? So adding something, right? So suppose we have value of a, like this is let a equal to 10 we have given, let b equal to 5 we have given, and what we are doing in the console here, we are adding it. So doing some addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, we are comparing something. So all things we can call in technical terms as an operations, but using operators. So what is operator? So plus is an operator, minus is an operator, this triple equal to is an operator, not not equal to, we can call it not and equal to, and or, these all are operators, right? So yeah, let me copy this. Now we have cover data types. Three, we what we will cover operator operators in JS dot JS. Okay, operators in JavaScript, basic coding. Okay, so what is operator here? Again, let me open a new terminal. So what is operator? I have already told. This is plus, minus, triple equal to, not equal to. This is comparison, and we are comparing something. I'll tell you that as well. So it's an operator. What is this? Is and operation, and this is or operator. So yeah. So you have declared some value. Just see this. So you have declared some value. Console.log of a plus b. So what it will give you an output? It will give you an it will give you, let me type my file name, which is 3 dot operators in JS dot JS. So you can see 15 it is giving you an output, right? So what we are doing some operations using plus operator. So what are the operators here below the operator? Okay. So we have plus operator here. We have minus operators here. So what I can do here again, I can write for minusing it, right? A minus b. So 10 minus 5 will become as a 5. Let me save the file. Again, we are coming here. 15 and 5 it is coming. So what 5 it is? So a minus b equal to 5. So we are doing minus operator. In the same way, we have triple equal to. So this is again an interview question. What is triple equal to? And we have some multiplication, division, subtraction, right? Module. So yeah, we'll do one by one. Plus we have already done minus operator. We have already understand, right? Now let me come to this multiplication or division. Sorry, multiplication. So again we are coming here. Let me save the file. Now the output is 50. Okay, leave it. Sorry. So here it is giving you 50. A into B, that is giving as a 50, right? So now again you need to write. Again we can check what is the next operator we have. A divided by B. So what it will give? 2. Let me save the file. So these all are operators. I know this is all basic things, but we need to cover those who are free, those who are fresher, those who don't know what are the operators. So for them, this is the class, and everyone can see what is operators and how it will work, right? So one new thing is coming. You haven't seen this thing in the maths, right? So again, this is very important. Important. What we can call it modulus. Modulus. So what modulus will do? It gives the reminder, only the reminder after dividing. So suppose you are dividing 10 by 5. So what it will give? It will give 2 as a answer. But what is reminder here? No reminder here because it is divisible properly, right? It will give 2, but reminder will be 0. So what modular will do? Modulus will provide us a reminder value. Reminder means जो says reminder है, right? It will give us the reminder value. So like that we can able to check. I have suppose I am having let a equal to 9 and let b equal to, let me give y equal to 2 we can give, right? So we can change the value here x module y by. So tell me what will be the output. It is divisible fully. No, 1 will be the output here. Why? Because 2 will be divided by, I mean 9 will be divided by 2. So it will give us 3, right? I mean 4, sorry. 4 to the 8, but 1 will be the remainder. So it will give us the remainder value. Let me save the file here. We can able to, yeah, it is giving 1. 4 to the 8. So it is divided by 2 how much time? 4 time. What it is giving? The remainder will become 1 only, right? Because 4 to the 8, then 1 only left, right? So it is giving remainder, whatever the remembering value that it is giving. So if you are dividing by 3, so see, nothing it will give you 0. See, 0 is coming now because 3 is divided, I mean 9 is divided by 3 fully. It is not giving any remainder value. Okay, so this is the modular, that is also I mean very 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 important. So what triple equal to check, this is again an interval question, right? Again it is an interval question, right? So yeah, we have uh, a triple equal to 0. So let me give some value here. Let a let a equal to 10. Let b equal to 5. We are giving into number, not any string. Okay. So let me change here a, capital A, b equal to capital B. So tell me what it will give. So what is triple equal to, right? Again, it is an important thing. Triple equal to. It will check the value. It will check two conditions. What one will be? It will it will check the value. What is the second point? It will check the data type also. So it will check the value and it will check the data type. Both it will check. How? Let me clear it. So yeah, let me clear out. So how it will check? So again, you can come here on the line number 33. You can see let a equal to 50, let b equal to 5, and it will check both the condition. So there are two things. One is double equal to and one is triple equal to. We are learning about triple equal to. Then we will learn about double equal to. So it will stick equality and check value and data type. So it is very important question in interview as well, right? So like let me run the program and how it will, what will be the output. It is giving false. Why? Yeah, because it is true. It is correct because it is checking equality and type of. So is it the type is same? Yeah, type is same, but values are not same. So it is giving false. Let me make 10 this as well. Then you can see it will give as true. It is giving true now. Why? Because the value is also same. Because a value is 10, b value is also 10. So both are the same, right? So because of equality check, it is passed both the condition. What? First, that it is checking type. Second, it is checking the type of. Suppose I have declare as a where, maybe not where. Let me define as a string. Now check. Now check. It is giving false because it is checking what both type. So this is 10 equal to 10 is fine, but 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 it is giving here, it is checking the data types as well. So data type of A is, we already learn in our previous thing, right? In the same, in the today itself, in the same class we learn this what is data type. So in the data type you can see where it is. It will check type, it will check the values and data type both, right? So we learn already. See, this is data type. Data type of this number is number, and data type of string value, string means in the double quotes it is a string, so data type of string will be the string. So both are not equal. In that case it is giving us a false, right? So yeah, we have covered data types as well. This is also, I mean sorry, operators as well. So yeah, we have covered variables, data types, and operators, right? So again, I'm saying you all guys, install Node.js, learn from basic, see how this will work, and right, I'll share this document as well, right? Let me finish these slides and then I'll share. So what next we have to cover? We have to cover the conditions in the next session, right? This should be green that we need to learn in the next class. So this next topics we need to learn what is the conditions. So in conditions, if else and sorry, if else and switch, three conditions are there, and then we'll go for loops, right? So we have for, while, for each, map. This will cover in the upcoming session. So yeah, thank you. Thanks for your time. Thank you so much. We'll wrap up the today's class. Thank you, thank you, thank you from my end. Happy coding. Yeah. So yeah. So let me learn this properly, data types and